Hi everyone, today I have nice vinyasa flow to make you feel good, to start the day, to finish the day, anywhere in between, okay? We're going to start seated in a cross-leg position. We're gonna arch the spine as you look up. On an exhale, round and lean back. Inhale, arch. And lean back as you straighten your arms. And again. So basically we're doing seated cat-cow. And back. Last one. And back. And one more. Stretch. Okay, open up. We're gonna swing your legs back into the tabletop. Come into your child's pose. And this time come high onto your fingertips, forehead down, hips are down, maybe swaying side to side. Feel the stretch in your shoulders, big breath into the back of the ribs, into the sides. Feeling the belly in between your thighs. Beautiful. And let's put your hands flat. We're gonna round through the spine as you come all the way onto the belly, into your cobra. Squeeze the shoulder blades back and pressing back. Two more, round, rolling back. Shoulders back, elbows back. And one more. Like a wave. Nice one. Back into your child's pose and tuck your toes to come into downward facing dog. So we're going to pedal through your feet, left and right. One heel down, other heel down, maybe swaying hips left and right. Nice one. Okay, from here we're gonna walk your hands back towards your feet and take your ragdoll, grabbing opposite elbows, swing side to side, and again maybe bending one knee at a time. One more deep breath here. Relaxing your head, your neck. And when you're ready, we're gonna place your hands down and walk it forward into your plank. And come all the way onto the belly. Untuck your toes and let's take a cobra. Okay, hands down. Look up and release. This time we're gonna look over your right shoulder towards your right foot and release. And other side. And release. Don't worry if you can rise up as high today. Just lift and look over your left shoulder. Beautiful, press back, downward facing dog. We're going to lift right leg up to three-legged dog. Open the hip, bend the knee. Imagine you're trying to reach right heel to the left glute. Evenly pressing into both hands. And square up the hips. And try to step it in between your hands. For low lunge, back knee down, rise up, reach up. Gazing towards the fingertips. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step the left foot to meet your right. Inhale, halfway lift. And fold. And again, inhale, halfway lift. Flat back. And fold. Place your hands down. Step into the high plank. Lower down all the way into the belly. And take a cobra to the right. And release. And take a cobra to the left. and release. Press it back, downward facing dog. And other side, left leg up, bend the knee, open the hip. And square up to the front, knee is forward, and place it down, back knee down, and rise up, low lunge. Hands down, tuck your toes, and into the plank. Lower down onto the belly, and to the right, and down, over to the left, and release down. Beautiful. Pressing back, downward facing dog. Walk your feet forward, 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 and we're gonna come low onto your bum into your everyone's favorite boat pose. Okay, so here I'm balancing on the sitting bones. My knees are bent and my arms are reaching forward. If you want to make it harder, straighten the legs as well. Ooh, these ones are tough. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's cross legs. Come forward. Downward facing dog. And let's take our vinyasa. Round through the spine, plank, lower all the way onto the belly. Take a cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And again, we're gonna lift right leg up, open the knee. Open the hip and bend the knee. Square up, step it forward, back knee is down, rise up. This time, we're gonna bring the hands forward and open hands like a book to the right, keeping the hips square. Reaching the right hand all the way behind you. Left arm is forward. Let's transition, left arm is down. And lift the back knee off the floor for easy twist. Beautiful. Right hand comes down to the front and straighten both legs into this wide pyramid shape. Let's rebend all the way back to three-legged dog. Right leg up and release it down. Okay, other side, left leg up and open the hip, bend the knee. Straight away, square up, bring it forward, back knee down, rise up. Both hands are forward, opening like a book. Maybe gazing over left fingertips. And reaching the right hand down. Tuck your toes, lift the knee for easy twist. Beautiful. Let's square up. Straighten the knee. And rebend. Back to three-legged dog. Left leg up all the way. Beautiful. Downward facing dog. You can jump forward if you like, or just tiptoe your way to the front of the mat. So to jump, high on your feet, bend the knees and gaze forward in between your hands and hop. Lower down all the way onto the bum. High boat. Transition into low boat. And again, up and low. High boat, low boat. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Place your hands down behind you, fingertips forward, feet are forward. Open the chest and I'm gonna lift the hips, squeeze the glutes. Let's hold here 3 more breaths. Lift it higher. And release it down, sitting bones down. Into your Dandasana, seated pose. Let's reach your hands towards the sky and fold. And again, inhale and fold. Inhale and fold. This time I'm gonna hold here. Chest is forward. Your collarbones nice and wide. Okay, so we're not just collapsing down. Let's take an easy twist. Right leg over your left straight leg. Right hand behind you. Left arm reaching up towards the sky and twist. Maybe you can hook it outside the right thigh. Maybe you're just hugging the leg in. Okay, so choose your version and keep the spine long. Gazing over right shoulder. And release. Let's switch sides. Left arm behind you, right arm up and over and twist. Gazing over left side. And come forward one more time. Bend your knees. Come sitting on your shins or find any comfortable seat. Maybe you're sitting on a cushion. Place your hands, palms facing up. We're going to bring the chin to the chest. And chin up. And again. And up. One more time, chin down. This time to the right shoulder. Slowly back to the left, semicircle. Maybe making your circles bigger all the way around. Shoulders are down. And take it to other side. Okay, let's gaze forward. Right ear to the right shoulder. You can extend the left arm to the side. You also can use the other hand gently to intensify the stretch a little bit more, but always being very mindful. This delicate area of our body, our necks. And gaze forward, take it to other side. Releasing the tension to the side of your neck. And gaze forward. Left fingertips down. Take a side stretch. And other side. One more. Reach both hands towards the sky, big stretch. Exhale, bring your hands to the heart and release the breath. Thank you so much for practicing with me today this nice, sweet and short Vinyasa practice. I'll see you next time.